So here we go, guys. Honeymoon time. I just landed at Incheon Airport. And malamig daw, so let's see kung kaya natin pang temp dito. Just like Japan. Okay. Sige, let's eat first. Here at Lotteria. Arias bulgogi. And some fries and potatoes. Look, down the lettuce inside. And onions and patties. Yum! Oh.
Scan the survey though.
Inside the photo shoot booth.
Which one you want? Day 1 on the way to the hotel, and the leaves are golden. We will seal the honeymoon during our honeymoon.
Demonyo Hunters. Let's go. What is this place called?
Is this the Cheonggyecheon Street? You can walk sa baba.
And I think maganda rin mag-jogging dito. Dito ba yung reason bakit nagdala ka ng running attire?
Really, ba't doon ako nag-book?
Wala ko ng pagkaso. Namsan Tower, just right there, guys. Saja Boys on the way. Based on our tourist guide right here, we can cross the river, the stream, using those dry stones in the middle. Ito yung main falls nila where all the water are coming from. Mag-flow siya doon sa left side. Yeah, ganda. Yung Christmas tree. Ayan, sa left side may mga, ano bang tawag dyan? Autumn trees.
Depende, may ginkgo.
Ginkgo. Baka ginkgo to, no? Pag yellow. Ayan, medyo autumn na may mga nahulog ng leaves on the right. Ano yung Christmas tree. At the end of that stream, from the bottom, look at how yellow everything is. Look at that. So nice. So we're now nearing the statue of, ano ba siya?
King.
We're nearing the statue of King Sejong. According to Ina, King Sejong was the one who invented Korean letters, i.e. Hangul alphabet. So yeah, dito naman sa left may museum. So now we're going to K-Food Festival or Korean Food Festival. Just beside the museum. Ito siya. Yun. So let's see what do they have here. 100 pesos. Ayun oh, churros oh. The crisp bar. Uy! So kayo may rice. Namiss ko mag-rice. Corn dog. Chicken. Yeah, so at the end of food festival food trucks, this is where you will order. Yeah. Oding and pancake for a total of 11,000 won or around 450 pesos. Skewers. Thank you. Let's try this. Legit odeng. So aside from odeng, we also have pancake. We have the pajon right here. First pajon in Korea. Cheers. Hey. Why is food here built different, man? We're walking towards again Gyeongbokgu. Gyeongbokgu Palace. Sarado na siya, though. 6 PM pa lang, sobrang dilim na dito. Sabi ko kay Ina kanina, grabe yung land area nila. Parang buong Nueva Ecija na to eh.
Grabe din yung ubuni ko.
Still at Insadong. What's
Chocolate.
this? Chocolate for 2,000 yen for the Thai.
It's literally
Good. This was to go Sands Cafe, but it closed at 7 PM. It's now 7:01. We'll be back.
We'll be back tomorrow. Let's go.
Kala ko Omsim Bakery. Ano pala? Onji Sim Bakery pala. So this is what we ordered. We had black sesame bagel and olive cheese bagel and rice latte, their best seller. Masasabi mo so far sa first 2 bites mo?
Wrap.
No, wrap. It's a wrap.
Kakaiba yung lasa.
Nakaiba, pero masarap. Ang cool ng paper cup nila, no? So literal na papel. Yan, no? As in, grabe siya gumagalaw. Kung alam kung mga 5 minutes lang ito magagas tapos mag-spill na yung tubig mo, so dapat inumin mo na agad, di ba?
Mabibili lang ako.
Pina-take out lang namin yung bagel namin. Ito yung binigay sa amin. Gusto lang naman namin sana plastic bag. Kahit ano, nasupot lang, no? Pero hindi. Dapat ganito, stapled wire with the handle and GSIM paper bag. At 2 bagels and 1 coffee drink for 18,200 yen. Ayan, 700 pesos. No? That wraps day 1. Good night. Day 2. Top of the morning. Where are we going, Mi?
Wadams.
Good.
Ayaw nilang sinasama sila.
Ayan, ayaw doon na sinasama sila. Susinan na lang. So we ordered hot choco partnered with these breakfast snacks before we head to the train. Kasi ano pala today, apparently 2 degrees.
But yung jackets namin pang 15 degrees.
Ang 15 degrees, tapos it feels like negative 5 degrees, sabi ni Google Weather. So,
Kaya pala naka-bunker yun.
good luck to us. So, now here at Wadam. Soup. Okay, so we chose to just walk uphill. Yan, kasi medyo mahaba yung line for people who want to ride the bus. Ito naman yung views, uphill lang konti. And 1 kilometer lang siya from the drop-off point of the previous bus. So, not that bad. 1.5 steps daw, based on the neighbor. So, neighbor, pwede nga siya for Korean Google Maps siya. So, mas accurate yung mga paths niya. It's really recommended by Koreans. And, so, nakikita mo yung mga tourist spot. Very detailed. So, that's what we're using now instead of Google Maps. So far, so good. So, now let's just visit this convenience store. GS25 to get some heat pack kasi masyado pang malamig. Let's go! Show me your heat pack. Where's your heat pack? It's a fish. Yan. So yun guys, na sobrang lamig talaga. Can't feel our faces.
The content.
And so sa left side namin yung para ski nila. May mga lift din, though it's not operational today I think. Yeah, maple leaves naman dito. Kahapon ginkgo, ngayon maple leaves. After around 15 minutes of walking uphill, we're now here at the top of the mountain. Ayan, medyo dumami na yung mga naglalakad kasi ang tagal nung bus. And sadly, the monorail tickets are already sold out since we already arrived late, 11 a.m. So we just bought tickets to the forest itself for 22,000 yen. Ayan, so meron na siyang earphones guys. Hindi niya na ako naririnig. Nice. May platform dito for the monorail. Now, may bridge dito full of hearts. Ay, sakto 4 hours pala. Or 4 days na we've been married daw. Heart number 1. So there's the monorail, so it's going up very slowly. I think for you to enjoy the views kasi it's very beautiful every angle, no? Iba-ibang colors sila per tree. It's not just all red, all yellow, all green. It's a mixture of all elements. Ito, pinakamagandang flower. Yes, so may walkway and may faster. So, ikot muna. Tapos faster tayo. Puro siya white.
Yung ano niya, brand.
Yeah. We're nearing the observatory and the monorail platform number 2. So, ang taas na namin, no? I think it's been a good 1.5 hours of walking. Yun! May ganyang view. Wow! Oh, it's so beautiful. So I think this is yung plateau na ng mountain. Going down na in a bit. But still, meron pang mga meron pa yung mga sweet and sour pancit canton colors. Yeah. Or then, there we go. Or sila mga big bonsais.
Tumangkad na bonsai.
Mga nag-cherry fir na bonsais, no?
Si Benyaman na bonsai.
Benyaman na bonsai. Hindi siya naubusan ng entry, guys. Competitive talaga siya kahit dito sa Korea. Guess where we are? We're inside the monorail. And they have other seats as well. That's the view. We're inside. looking for some restaurants where we can eat lunch. Kinain, I got some odeng again and some odeng with noodles, udon. It's 5 p.m. and after a lot of traveling, we're now here at where are we?
Suwon.
This is where the Starfield Library is located, so later we'll go to that place
But for now, we are around the Suwon Hwasong Fortress.
where we're going to have our early
Dinner.
/ merienda. Actually, madaming binibenta dito na iba-iba. May mga damit, may yogurt, cafes, yogurt panda.
Doon sa loob.
Madami din dito yung mga photoshoot. And of course,
Ito.
mga coffee shop.
Snack bunker.
So, what we're going to try is this pizza. It's named John and Jean. Let's go. Barbecue chicken pizza. We also have chicken wings right here. Let's go. Another day of loving Korea because of their takeout boxes. Look at that. John and Jeans. Candy wants to visit some nearby scenery from a K-drama. Ito ang hidden gem, guys. 2+1 na Haribo. Look at those. Oh my goodness. May mga Milka pa, oh. Silka. Kung ayaw mo ng Milka, oh, may Silka. Hindi papaya to, ah. 1+1. May mga gummies din. Cat Jess. Anyway, Baskin Robbins. Cola. So, this is another place na galing daw sa My Beloved Summer. Our Beloved.
Yun na sila.
So baka kaya madami nag-shoot dito kasi ang daming kainan din. Aesthetic.
Aesthetic yung mga houses.
Ayun, even yung lights dito sa gilid ng fortress, kita niyan. It's very aesthetic.
Fortress. 43. Fortress.
Siya yan, guys, not me. Okay, just arrived at Starfield. So may Daiso, may car, another car. And cool yung mga stores. Ayan, little na, tiny pa. Ito, babe na papa. Diba sikat yung on? Ito, more than one. On and on, diba? On and on and on. So ito yung main event natin. The library. Of course, we expect them to have a lot of books, different genres, a lot of lights. So there's a door, but we don't need that door. We just need this entrance. So they also have study tables where you can charge your phone. Wait. Nag-aaral sila. Bawal daw maingay. Guys kasi nag-aaral sila. I'm sorry. So let's see. Power bank. We're charging it. Let's see if hindi siya mawala. We'll be back. 2 hours later or 3 hours later. Moment of truth. Let's see if it's still here. Oh, it's still there. Congratulations! another nice day for our day 3. So first off, we're going to Namsan Bokbom Plaza or Square. Bekbom, the Bekbom, sorry, wrong pronunciation. I'm still learning my Duolingo, bros. So for breakfast, we're going to grab some snacks here at Isaac Toast and Coffee. We learned from yesterday, it's good. And we're now on the way to Namsan Tower. The nightscape viewpoints of Bekbom Square Park. So ayan, so meron siyang loop doon sa baba. But you can see the entire city from here. So the reason why we're here is that you can see the view of Namsan Tower. So we took a good 15 to 20 minutes stay here and wala pa rin taong dumaan sa pathway na. So we're going to eat brunch first at the Namsan Seoul Tower. We're going up, up, up. Look at that. Sealing the honeymoon, let's go. Durumi. This will open at 11 o'clock but still 10:40, so later pa tayo. Pansong. I'm going to get this mushroom beef bulgogi set. They also have vegetarian options like soy-based meat and mushroom stir-fry. So this is what we ordered. We got bucket with noodles, not spicy, and beef and mushroom bulgogi sets. Before the lines get busy, you're going to buy some souvenirs. Of course, our everyday magnets. We're just going to select them and then postcards for sample. This is for 1 plus 1. 2,001 or 800. Ay, sorry, 80 pesos lang pala for 2. Okay, since we're done with brunch, we're going to head out and look for some good and nice views. Adult times 2. What's that? Oh, inside an elevator. Wow. That's so nice. That's so nice. Amazing. Observation deck. Here we go. They also have a telescope here of 2001. 80 pesos to use the telescope. Okay, wala masyadong tao so it's nice. I heard sabi ni Ina, maganda din daw yung CR nito. Let's see anong meron. We're now at the CR. Oh, get to have a view of outside. Ito. Sample tayo, sample. Oh, that's a lot. Lock on lock on lock. Kaya pala may lock and lock na brand, no? Dito siguro nakuha yan. Lock and lock.
So kaya yung sa amin na X.
Sana kaya? They also have vending machine for locks. Right? So we're going down. So magka-cable car tayo kasi hinike na natin siya going up. On the way to the palaces. And it's already 5 degrees, so it's not that cold anymore. Medyo mas kaya na ngayon, so kita nyo, wala na yung scarf ko na nakasuot si Ina. Okay na, wala na masyadong heat pack. So for a change, Ina and I won't go inside the palace, but we're going to an off-beaten path na makikita natin yung loob ng palace, i.e. Dongjong Observatory. So it's 1:30 p.m. 1:40 and the line is already this long. Oh, and kaka-open lang kasi no, 1:30 siya nag-open Monday to Friday. So here at the 13th floor for the observatory. So on the left there's a tambayan area. And here's the coffee shop.
Sabi nila yung mga naglalakad daw dito nagbe-break.
Nagbe-break? Oh, tara, lakarin natin 10 times. Look at those statues. I don't know if it's spanned out or something, but it's weird. It's weird. Now on the way to Ewa Women's University. So far, I think we've been walking for the past 5 to 10 minutes. And they're all girls, guys. Kasi nga, all girls university siya. Pati mannequin nila o babae. We're now going to Yonsei. This is just beside Ewa. So I think it's around 1 kilometer or less. So we're going to walk our way there. Okay, medyo malayo yung lakaran pala to. Ang layo ah. Ngayon, kawawa naman yung estudyante dito pag na-late sila. It's already 5 p.m. and we're nearing Cafe Pokpok. This is another cafe that we've been wanting to try. So it's a bit far compared to others. No? Hey.
It's a bike.
got, what's this?
Citrus yuzu.
Citrus yuzu, and for me, hot chocolate latte. And of course, di mawawala ang pastries. This is
Tiramisu.
tiramisu stick. So now we're going down to check out the views yung jogging path nila. And they have lights to illuminate the waterfall. So ito pala yung color, bakit siya, ito yung reason bakit siya the color purple on the left and green on the right. Ayan. Last look before we go to the Ramen CU convenience store and Hongdae Myeongdong food trip. Let's go! So where are we? Hongdae. Is Ina's second home next to Manila. 5 times. Troubadour. This is where you can buy cheap clothes. See, kita mo yung mukha niyan ganyan. Pag ganyan, super cheap na yan.
800. Offer.
Not bad. 800 pesos. Offer. Not bad. Kaya pala siya best item. So we're done with Troubadour and that's the damage right there.
Hihi.
Ang daming marts dito. Korean mart. The next, we also have Olive Young na 3 floors or maybe 4. So, ang daming options dito sa Hongdae. Dito talaga yung damage will be done.
Tikim.
Sige, titikim na tayong street food, guys. So, here are samples. We have gimbap, tteokbokki. Okay, I want the tteokbokki. Can we try? With odeng. Let's go. Sobrang daming pwedeng kainan, guys. Like wild. It's hard to decide. Iba-ibang cuisine lang. Like tacos, burgers, may bibimbap. Yes, ang bango nga ng taco.
You want?
Gusto ko lahat. Oh, I got performances right here, guys. Hey. First snack, we'll go kimbap.
Hindi ko mo kasi masarap kasi siya isama sa ramen.
May cheese, oh. 5-9. Here we go. Let's go. So, since we're just going to order one, we're going to have this as takeout. We're now here at Nice to See You. Ramen version. So, again, snack pa rin siya. Hindi namin dinner to. So that we can eat as much as we can. Let's go. Oh, so cute. Look at those tables. So nice. Where's my favorite? Oh, there's my favorite. I saw it. Here. Favorite nuguri. Ayun yung selection natin ng noodles. All ready to go. Time to eat. They have different categories like hot, medium, mild. And yung mga haven't tasted. I think yung mga iba dito wala sa Philippines, no? You know, like this one. Or this one. Veggies. Even the cheese versions. Chicken noodle. So this is what I'll be getting. Like a seafood flavor noodles na medyo mild. And Ina is Japaghetti ba yan?
Jajaron.
Jajangmyeon. So there we have it. Our ramen is ready. Bagay sa cold weather. Wow. Beef kimbap. Beef kimbap. Wow. So now at Myeongdong, final stop for today, and this is our surprise. Sweet holidays.
Lazada.
Oh. Good. It's pure mozzarella, man. 5 out of 5. Agad. Woo!
For a non-cheese person.
One, two. Wow. Ano sabi mo sa lamb? Sabi yung sarap. It's very chewy.
Masang laksa.
Yeah, ang lansa. Ginapit yung dulo ng barbecue stick at the same time. Yung mga sunog sa dulo, tinanggal din. It's very clean. Look, zoom in. Amazing. Sweet and chili garlic with the chicken on top. Actually, more on chicken than tokbok. Pero solid yung pagka-fry niya. Wow. Have you guys one before dessert? Yes?
Yes.
Dessert time. There you go. Wow, so big. Ano masabi mo? Bakit wala siya masabi? That's so sweet. Parang masarap for her.
Parang gusto mo mag-fish cake after.
Yes, for sure, for sure. Oh, then it's not yet over, guys. 1% na lang ako, but the night doesn't end here. Let's go.